I'm a production secretary at Wales & Co. So my job includes doing transcripts or sorting hotels, booking cars for guests and organising guest appearances and the radio shows and on other programmes as well. I really like the people I work with. Everyone's really nice, and everyone they help as much as they can, and they'll tell you to do things and that you'll enjoy as well. They don't just chuck all the rubbish jobs onto you because you're an apprentice. They'll give you really useful things. They make you feel like you're doing something useful as well. I enjoy everything I do here because I enjoy the programmes they make, so that makes it a lot easier. It's not just you sitting down watching programmes you don't like, doing work for programmes you don't like. I really enjoy the programmes they make, so when I do transcripts it's not really gruelling because I actually enjoy watching the programmes that they do, and it's quite interesting to learn about the characters and the people they interview as well. It was hard being a cover apprentice first. It was a lot of work, but it does pay off because you do learn a lot through the modules and the units. That you do learn a lot more than you'd normally learn in college or school about the industry. And then with the placement as well, you meet so many people, and then where you wouldn't normally meet in university or going through college or doing it on your own. It's a really good programme.